What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Jeezy Dre, and I'm back again with another banger. And today, I'm going to teach y'all how to wash our waves in 2021. The reason why it's important to wash our waves because it'll give an amazing benefits in the long run. The method we finna do today that'll make sure our waves will stay clean all the time is called the wash and style method. And that's honestly the best method for any waver to do. The reason why I say it's the best method because it'll instantly take our waves to the next level for any beginners or any intermediate or elite wavers. It will bounce our waves back whenever we mess it up or sleep without a do-rag, and it will keep our hair really healthy over time once you keep staying consistent with the wash and style. The items we're going to use for our wash and style today is a comb, a mirror, a spray bottle of water, and oil to keep our hair moisturized after we wash it, a detangle brush, a hard brush, and most importantly the shampoo right here we got. And it's called Biotin Collagen. You can buy at like Walgreens or any beauty supply store around you. And this is honestly a good shampoo to use because it doesn't have no sulfates and it'll really keep your hair like feeling soft afterwards. Now I'm finna head to the bathroom right now and show y'all how to do everything step by step.
Now the first thing you have to do is comb out your hair with the grain to make sure every part of your hair is detangled if you're wolfing like me. Next, I'm gonna add water to make sure my hair is moist before I use shampoo. And doing this will give it the good lather that you need. Now I'm gonna get the first wash in with shampoo and then I'll rinse it out with hot water. But make sure you don't scramble your hair because doing the scramble wash is not really meant for beginners because it'll make them lose progress once they start scrambling their waves because their hair is not trained enough. Now I'm gonna rinse out the shampoo with warm water and add more shampoo for the second wash. And you will notice that the lather is looking a lot better because my hair is cleaner now. See, look, watch this. You see how my hair lather up a lot faster than the first time I add shampoo? Because that means the pores is really clean now. Now I'm going to use the detangle brush to help find my wave pattern before I use my regular brushes. And the benefits of using the detangle brush will result into scalp massaging. And whenever your scalp gets massaged all the time, it will result into really fast hair growth. And that's amazing for all of us. So I recommend every waver to use the detangle brush every time before they hit a wash session. use this hard flat brush to brush in the pattern in the front. And the reason why I'm using this brush, so I can help fix the forks by brushing it straight down. Now I'm going to use this hard curve brush to brush in the pattern from the back through the sides, since I have a 540 pattern. And slow brush strokes will definitely help focus on fixing the flaws of your wave pattern. Now I'm going to switch back to the flat brush so I can brush the front and the left side again. Now I'm going to use grapeseed oil to keep my hair moisturized after I wash out the shampoo. And it's really mandatory to moisturize your hair after you wash your hair, because if you don't do it, your hair's going to dry out, and you don't want that in the future. And the last thing we about to do is rag up and then double compress with the stocking cap to keep your hair extra compressed, and then we'll rinse it out in the shower with cold water, not hot water. And the reason why you want to use hot water, because using hot water will open up your pores, which will result into your hair frizzing, and you don't want that for your waves, especially for us corset wavers. But using cold water will result into our hair being shiny, laid, and moisturized. And whenever you rinse out your hair, you have to wait 2 hours to unrag.
2 hours later.
Now this is how y'all do a washing style. If you notice, there's no products in my hair at all. But if you like the results, make sure y'all leave a comment right down below. And don't forget to smash that like button and sub to your boy, Jeezy Dre. So I'm out here.